dive in a little bit to a point you made, Scott, about overproduction, because this is somewhat. I want to kind of dive into this because I have some mixed feelings about this. I think that on one hand, if you're waiting for everything to be perfect and you have the perfect camera with the perfect lighting, it's never gonna happen, right? You have to embrace the suck. You have to embrace the process. But at the same time, we want to make sure that we're standing out. Don't you think that some production? Don't you think we should be committed to improving the quality of our videos in the long term?
Well, it's been proven, there's been studies done by multiple third-party companies that the best engaged videos are actually produced from iOS phones or Samsung Galaxy phones, not actual Zoom recordings that are posted. And interestingly enough, a lot of people that are in B2B and B2C, I call it H to H, human to human. That's what we all are doing. 30 seconds to 90-second best engagement and hold the most attention on LinkedIn. Now, if we're talking about LinkedIn Live, that's a whole separate conversation. I just started doing LinkedIn Live producing a few weeks ago. Then you're looking more of a 15 to 20 minute quote unquote training, but also interviews up to 30 minutes. If you're doing just a native little clip, 30 seconds to 90 seconds, but I'm not going to say the least produced as possible. You don't want to put garbage out there, but it doesn't have to be perfect. People sometimes care more about the value of the content above the video than they actually do. And sometimes people will just read the verbiage of what you wrote, which should clearly describe what the video is about, sometimes without even watching the video.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link, check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media. Peace.